continuing on this side. This is the left side of the farm, section 2. Section 2 has eight pens in this section. Again, they're all identical. The only difference here is the rooms that have a nursing mother. The nursing mother will have what they call a nursing crib. That's where the piglets eat. All right. So this is pretty much an adult room right here. So just kind of give them a tour.
It looks good, but the flies are really reduced. Even the mosquitoes. I don't felt sometimes. Have you felt them today?
Oh, one more section here. So we have 2 rooms back here. Let's show them these 2 last rooms.
This is the first one.
All right, so these 2 last rooms, they're designed for growers. These are piglets that have been weaned from their mom. These piglets are 1 month old. So they've been weaned from their mom, and this is their room. So you see, their room is designed a little different. The pool area is a little bit lower. Everything here is low, designed for children. Yep. So we have 2 rooms like that. This one and the last room. Well, I guess that's pretty much the tour of Nickham Farms. Thank you very much for your attention.
You didn't take me my boots.
Come on.
You didn't take me my boots. Here I go. Mrs. What? How do you call the farmer? McDonald? Oh, McDonald had a farm. So, oh, Mrs. Kuma had a farm. It's my boots.
All right. Guess we're good.
Wanda, you can get on YouTube. Content.
All right.